Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Ecosport driver's seat. First, sit comfortably and locate the adjustment bar under the front of your seat. Pull this bar up to slide the seat forward or backward until your legs are at a comfortable distance from the pedals. Release the bar to lock the seat in place. Next, find the triangular lever on the side of the seat to adjust the backrest angle. Pull it up and lean back or forward to find your ideal recline. Now, let's fine-tune your seat height and lumbar support. On the side of your seat, you'll find a lever to adjust the height. Pull it up repeatedly to raise the seat or push it down to lower it, ensuring you have a clear view of the road and dashboard. Some EcoSport models also feature a dial or lever for lumbar support, allowing you to customize the curve of the seat back for optimal lower back comfort. With your seat adjusted, it's time to set your steering wheel and mirrors. Locate the lever under the steering column, pull it down to unlock the steering wheel. You can then move the wheel up, down, in, or out to achieve a comfortable reach and clear view of the instrument cluster. Once set, push the lever back up to lock it. Finally, use the electronic controls on your driver's side door to adjust your side mirrors for maximum visibility. Before you drive, take a moment to test all your adjustments. Ensure you can comfortably reach all pedals and controls without stretching or straining. Your arms should have a slight bend when holding the steering wheel, and your back should be supported. A properly adjusted seat enhances both comfort and safety on the road. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to simplify your meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your comfortable and safe driving experience in your Ford EcoSport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.